What's up, guys, and welcome to the show. So I figured I'd just do a quick video today to show you guys how to fix this. This blade is really loose, and I think it's just from like over time just using it so much. It's my everyday carry knife, and it's just the blade on it is just really loose. It's not really safe to have a blade that loose, but quick video on how to repair that if you're experiencing that same thing. You're gonna have a bolt right here. As you can tell, that's a little Allen key hole. So I got the littlest Allen wrench that I could find. Now simply just tighten that up, and you should tighten this blade up. Now you just stick it in there, that's what she said, and you just tighten it clockwise. You don't want to over tighten it, but you want to tighten it up enough. You don't want to strip anything. Okay, so look at that. Now she's nice and tight, doesn't wobble or anything. Now really nice and tight, doesn't wobble or anything. So simply just tighten that bolt up and you're good to go. I'll just make sure she's tight. She's about as tight as I'm gonna get it. Yeah, about as tight as I'm gonna get it, and as you can tell, that's tight right now. It doesn't really move unless I really force it back and forth, but you don't really want to force it because then you're just going to loosen it back up and then you're going to have to re-tighten. But basically, of course, my camera dies as it always does, but if you have a loose blade on a knife like this, you just tighten that bolt up and your blade will tighten up. But anyway, that's just a quick knife repair video. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you very much, and I will check you guys in the next video.